From rawhide to luxury goods, the journey begins right here. It's a labor-intensive process, but the results, as you can see, are stunning.
We look closely at the flesh side here. You can still see the veins and the natural grain before it goes into the tanning process.
To maintain the integrity of the supply chain, each hide is carefully lifted and scanned before being loaded into our refrigerated trucks. Upon arrival, every hide is meticulously inspected and scanned before being moved into climate-controlled storage. The first step in tanning is the rehydration process, seen here in a 24-hour time lapse. Here we see the mechanical drum in action. Powerful water jets ensure the complete separation of hair, leaving behind a smooth, clean pelt. The sammying machine applies immense pressure, squeezing out excess water and compressing the hide to a uniform thickness. This industrial shaving machine uses a high-speed spiral blade for unparalleled precision, maintaining a perfect 1.4 millimeters.
We need to bring the waist in slightly here, mark that.
Bringing in the waist and adjusting the sleeve.
Yes, ensure the arm movement is comfortable.
The software allows for precise nesting, drastically reducing waste. This optimized layout achieved. We use a systematic approach, printing on durable paper before organizing the patterns into our labeled storage system.
We carefully separate the usable scraps for small goods production, and the rest is collected to be recycled into new leather board.
Everything looks correct. Please sign here for the transfer.
All right, thank you. We will get started on these right away.
The key here is using the zipper foot to get as close to the metal teeth as possible without hitting them.
The shoulder seams require perfect alignment of the notches. Using the compound feed ensures strength, and hand prang opens the allowance cleanly.
Precision is key here. We're laying down multiple rows of parallel decorative top stitching to define the collar's shape. The upper and under sleeve pieces are sewn together along the underarm seam. The seam is then carefully pressed. This is the most challenging sewing operation. Pinning the sleeve cap means carefully distributing the ease and matching every notch point before you even start sewing.
Crafting the interior pockets requires absolute precision. This black satin lining is built as a complete separate garment. We insert the lining, ensuring it's slightly shorter for ease. Meticulous pinning and hand basting secure.
The heated plates descend, applying precise temperature to shape the leather fibers. This temperature-controlled pressing
The zipper mechanism is smooth through multiple cycles. Snaps are secure, and the belt hardware passes the durability check.
The shoulders feel a bit tight when I reach up.
Okay, noted. Let's check the seating position now.
We use the green tag for first quality, yellow for slight irregulars, and red indicates second quality.
We carefully stuff the sleeves with protective tissue paper to maintain the jacket's silhouette during storage.
Heritage leather, crafted for life. This is our craftsmanship story.
The lining is Bember Cupro, breathes better than silk, and feel the weight of this reary zipper.
It's incredibly supple. I love the fit.
Yeah.
From hide to heritage, 90 days, 147 steps, one timeless jacket.